The Villa Restauração Microgrid is Energisa's landmark clean energy project in the heart of Brazil's Amazon rainforest. Through this initiative, around 200 families that received just 3 hours of daily electricity from diesel generators now enjoy 24-hour renewable energy at a 60% cost reduction. The microgrid comprises 325 kilowatts of solar PV, 829 kilowatt-hours of lithium-ion battery storage, 4G internet, wireless smart meters, 2 backup generators powered by locally made biodiesel and biogas biodigesters. The system supplies around 1,000 community members with reliable clean energy, and Energisa aims to replicate it across the Amazon region. Our jury praised the microgrid's sustainable, user-friendly design and ability to improve lives while preserving the Amazon rainforest.